Assalamu alaikum. This is our introductory lecture about ArcGIS. It is for ArcGIS for desktop. So for this we are going to start ArcMap 10.3. For this there are some basics we should know. The first thing we should know about the ArcGIS for desktop, that it is for a general purpose. It is for the non-professional audience. So if you want to start the ArcGIS, it is recommended that start from ArcGIS for desktop. It was being developed by ISRI in 2012, and definitely after that there are lots of versions for professionals which you are going to use here. But first of all, we are going to start only the non-professional audience. For this we have the ArcGIS for desktop. The introduction from the desktop, there are few basic things you should know here. There are three things I am telling right now. First is this catalog, which is just like the Windows Explorer. It is actually a place where you can browse your data and you can manage your data here. You can also create anything you want to do it, and it is going to be saved in this catalog. If you want to just have it here, definitely we also have it on the right side of your catalog, which is actually showing you few things. It is showing you the desktop, it is showing you that folder connections. Wherever you have the folder connections here, it shows you those connection. It also shows the toolboxes. There are two toolboxes we are going to deal here. One is your own toolboxes you have made, and one is the system toolboxes. And the system toolbox have sets of different tools, and definitely with the passage of time we are going to use inshallah one by one to everyone. And we have the database servers, which are also going to be connected by the database server whichever you want to add by yourself. We have some database connections. You can make your own connections here. Then we have some tracking connections, we have some used services, we have some hosted services. This is the first important thing on Arc desktop, that you should know about this catalog, which actually work as a Windows Explorer. The second thing is about this whole ArcMap. This ArcMap which you are going to see, which is you right now able to see, is the ArcMap, where actually you create your map and where actually you analyze the spatial data. Now when we talk about the spatial data, what is the spatial data? The data which relates with the space and the location of the area. The data with the location is a spatial data. I'm going to start first of all this Arc catalog, where we have some toolbars. This ArcMap has some toolbar, and the toolbar is right now it is customized by my own self. You can also customize it by yourself. Let's get started from this portion. This is a zoom in area, where once you click the area and it is going to be zoom in. Then zoom out area is once you drag your area on a map and you want to just drag it on a minimum extent. Then we have the pan option. The pan mean dragging the area. The full extent is used at once your map, you have just pasted your map on this ArcMap project, but it is not visible. Then you just simply right click and it comes full extent and your map is visible on this area. Otherwise you can also click on this option, which is also present on the toolbar. Then full extent, zoom in and zoom out, you know them very well. We have, whenever we have some data on this screen, and if something is selected by this, then you just can clear that selection by this option. You can also select the features by this option. We have the pointing option, we have the identify feature here. There are different features which are actually right now I have just enabled them myself. It might not be appearing on your toolbar, so don't you worry about this one. Measuring tool is a tool which is used to measure the distance between the area, between a line, between one point to another, between one line to another, between one polygon to the other polygon, or one country to the other country. It uses the distance. We have the route plan, which actually identifies the area, the routes between two area. We have the XY location. You can just give the XY location here, give the coordinates, and it is going to find it out for you. We also have some toolbar option here, that how you can customize your toolbar. My editor tool, I have customized it from the customize option where toolbar is given. A toolbar is a set of commands. You can enable them by just of your choice. They depend that what thing you want on your toolbar. Right now those things you are looking, they are having the checked option. They are I have selected them to customize toolbar myself, that which right now I am having. And there are sets of things you can enable them yourself, so mostly they are only those things which you want to have. Then we have a model builder. A model builder can help you to just make one model at a geoprocessing time once, and it is going to execute by just giving one single command. That is the use of this model builder. Inshallah we are going to use it. Then Python is one of the programming language which help you to execute the programs. We also have a search option. If you cannot find something, then just go to the search option from here, or you can just click Ctrl and F and your search option goes visible here. It is also enabled on the right side of my toolbar. Next we have this table of contents. That the table of contents, this is again a screen which you can customize by yourself. Whenever you want to just drag it from here to another portion, you can simply just drag it, and it is just going to give you that location that where you want to just save your table of contents. Then I also have this geostatistical analyst. From where I have enabled it from the extensions. The extensions are again, they are set of extension you are using to provide your visualization on that model you are using. Either it is our raster database or a vector database, so you are just enabling them all, which help you not to just confuse again and again that why your toolbars are not executing. You just customize them and just enable them once. Network analyst is again one of the extension. I have enabled it from the extension toolbar, the network analyst, and they are again the sets of toolbar I have just enabled myself. So that is all about the introduction. I hope you have learned something from here. And now I'm just moving towards the basic task in ArcCatalog. Just wait for our second video, which is about all these basics of ArcCatalog. So I hope you are understanding it in a more easy way. Thank you. Stay tuned for this channel.